Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. This video is sponsored by Better Length Hair Company. They sent me these clip-ins in inches 20 and in the texture of Kinky Coarse in 10 pieces. Like 10 pieces really got this look. It was so full and I still can't believe how beautiful these curls came out. So this is the packaging, this is what it came in, and this is how the hair looked right out of the packaging. So I'm showing you a close-up of the ends and so forth. And it also came with a little brochure, instructions on how to care for the hair and etc., and also their Instagram and their social media, other social media website and stuff. These are the clip-in. It came in 10 pieces. I like the size of these clip-in. They weren't too short and they weren't too long, just perfect. So I'm showing you as usual how I normally wash every single week before I put them in my head. So after shampooing the hair, and this is what came out. It barely sheds. Like this is from all the bundles, and this is how the hair looks after I hair dried. And then I decided I wanted to give it some curls, so I use I think this is a ½ inch curling one from Numi. I think that's it. I don't remember. So I decided to curl them with the wand off my head. Doing, I decided to just give this some nice bouncy curls. And yeah, so all the information about this hair and Better Length will be in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for Better Length for sponsoring this video. I show you guys the clips of how the hair came and stuff. So now I'm gonna install them. I curl them off camera. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I want to do a side part. So I'm gonna braid my hair because as usual, you know, my hair is too short and I don't want to straighten my hair. So normally I braid my hair. I install it. So I'm gonna do a side part since this is relaxed and I want to see how it's gonna look when I straighten my hair. So I'm gonna do a deep side part. So I'm gonna just braid these all the way back, but not like perfect. Okay, so this is my braiding pattern. It's not neat, but this is all I can do. I can't really braid my hair because it's so short and it hurt, man. So yeah, this is how it looks. So now we're gonna start installing. I curled all of them, which is beautiful, and I think we have, oh, so we have 10 pieces. I'm assuming that every clip-in come with 10 pieces, and this is in 20-inch. So I'm gonna start the ones with the 4 clips. Going with the 5 clips. Going in with another 5 clips. Going in with the 2 clips and another 2 clip. I'm gonna go in with my edge control just a little bit. I'm gonna lay these edges. I'm gonna use my Kera wax stick. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this blend. This is so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna change my top and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. I'm gonna separate them a little bit with my fingers. I think I'm gonna use a clip like right here just to make it look nice. I had one of those clips, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna use a hairpin. I found this clip that I was looking for and I'm gonna add it because I think since we're doing a holiday party, look, why not? Ooh. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love this. Like, it curls so well and it's keeping up, and I love the fact that it looks natural. Like, all I did was straighten my hair, that's it, and it blends. Like, I didn't even really use this much, as you guys can see, and it blends so nice. And I'm like, take me to a holiday party right now. Like, take me to a holiday party right now. But yeah, all the information is gonna be in the description box, so you guys can check that out. And yeah, so take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.